Hey, it's Anne Marie with Chaos is Bliss. I'm not exactly sure if I'm really live or not because I just had some message pop up that said that I had a low network connection. So we're still going to go with it, and hopefully this is going to be live. And if you can see me, if you could pop a comment below, that would be awesome. So today I'm going to be unboxing a BOC from Woot. Okay, so first of all, what's Woot? So Woot is a daily deals site with some ridiculously low prices on really random stuff is what I'm finding out. And now Woot is offering free shipping for Amazon Prime members. So that's pretty cool. A lot of times these offers are one day only and or until it sells out, so it could even be faster. So what is a BOC? That was my question too. So BOC actually stands for bag of crap. Yeah, there you go. Not literally though, thankfully, because who would buy that? So anyway, so they sent me a BOC so that I could unbox, and then I'm also going to be giving away a Woot BOC. So stay tuned and you'll find out how to enter in just a little bit. Okay, so in my Woot BOC, so this is like really totally random stuff. I think it's, leftovers in the warehouse or whatever. Let me look at my notes, but Wooters, that's the people who shop on Woot, they have received a single shoe, rubber duckies, a giant metal rooster, brand new headphones. Hi, Joe. Okay, so I am live. That's good. That's a good thing. I wasn't sure if it was actually working or not. Shirts, and even the occasional laptop or a Dyson vacuum. So it really is random, and you don't know what you're going to get until you order through Woot. And remember, now it's free shipping for Amazon Prime members. Joe loves Woot. Yay, awesome. Okay, so here's what came in my BOC. We get, of course, a reusable tote. That was pretty cool. And then they have this little monkey called Mortimer. Little stuffed animal monkey. All right, this is so funny. I started laughing when I saw this. This is the random part about a BOC. We get an XXL sweatshirt from Southern Methodist University. So there you go. I don't know who will fit in an XXL in my house, but my daughter would probably want to sleep in it. Okay. I have no idea what this is, so we're just going to open it. It says Touch of Nature. Oh, it's a hair clip. So there we go. I can wear a hair clip the rest of my broadcast here. Okay, so a feathery clip there. Okay, there's something that is very well wrapped. It's some kind of a mug. So let me open it and see. Ah, excellent. I love Bull Terriers. It's a big, huge mug for soup or something. Okay. I love dogs. I don't know much about Bull Terriers, but all right, we'll go with that. What else is in here? Look at how well they packed everything. Like, everything just fits so perfectly. Okay, we have... Okay, here's something I don't know that I'm going to use. Plate hangers. All right, whatever. Says for you. What is this? Candle? I think it's a candle. Okay. All right, there we go. It's not a candle. It is a candle. Okay. With like, oh my gosh, it's like half of a tea light. Well, that's one way of saving money, I guess. Okay, what else do we have? Again, I am unboxing a Woot BOC. It stands for Bag of Crap. They sent me a box of crap, and I'm going to be giving away a BOC to one of you. Okay, I got a sticker. I don't know what that is. Maybe somebody else does. Okay. Shirt Woot mini plushies. Oh, my daughter Carly has been wanting plushies. I don't know, it's a new thing, so. Okay, there we go. I got that. Here we go. Here's a plain Plain t-shirt, kind of stretchy. I like that fabric. Give that to my husband. Okay, what else? This is Woot, branded something. Keychain? Oh my gosh, I do not know. Anybody know what I use this for? Okay, it's got a little battery thing. Okay, this lights up. And then like it even has a strobe effect. I don't know, maybe it's just like a little keychain flashlight. I don't know. Okay, what else is in my BOC? This is random. Like a drawer pull? I have no idea what this is. I guess it's like a drawer pull. There we go. Just one single drawer pull. Toe warmers. This could have come in handy like last week. Just a plain box. A mouse. It's not wireless. And it's got the Woot logo on it. Okay. Another plain box. Let's see what's in this. Oh, this is kind of cool. Like a little pocket knife thingy. It's got a clip. What else is on this? Can opener. Yeah, cool. I might use that. It's got a little holder for it. So remember when you get a Woot BOC, you don't know what's going to come in it. What I'm unveiling here isn't necessarily going to be, and it won't be exactly what you get. So this, I'll use this little refrigerator container from Sterilite. And then inside of this, it says Sleek Stopper. All right, so it's a door stopper. Maybe I can donate that to my church or something. Okay, and then one more thing in my Woot BOC. It's a glass. Let me open it here. All right. Oh, Darth Vader. What does it say? World's greatest dad. I love that. Awesome. So that is the Woot BOC that I received. What you're going to get when you enter to win my giveaway, one of you will receive a Woot BOC valued at about $50. You don't know what you're going to get, so that would be really cool. So how we're going to do this giveaway is you just need to leave a comment in this video, on this post, with telling me what is the weirdest thing you've ever ordered online. Now, keep this PG, please. This is a family-friendly page and a family-friendly website at chaosisbliss.com. So let me know what is the weirdest thing that you have ever ordered online. I was thinking about this, and for me, it was, we have some of my neighbor friends, we do a little gift exchange, like one of those fun ones where you steal the gifts. And I ordered for one of my friends it was a squirrel feeder, but it was a unicorn head. So it was really funny, and but the bad thing was the little unicorn horn wasn't in the box. So then it was really like a really crappy gift. So, but this is not a crappy gift, even though it's called Bag of Crap. So Woot.com is where you can check it out, and then I will also have some more info at chaosisbliss.com. Again, enter below to win a BOC from Woot, and thanks a lot for watching.